you have cut a piece of pipe.
Clean it is.
Clean as a whistle, ready to be beveled.
Hey, what's up everybody? Nick from A High Power Tool. I'm with Dean at Ridgid.
Good morning.
This is going to be a quick power tool rundown of the PCS-500 PipeSaw. Now Dean, why is this here? What do we need this for?
This is the easiest, most portable way to cut pipe. Whatever version of pipe you need to cut, up to 12 inch you can cut with this. And the mobility of it is what makes it so nice.
Now, when you say anything, what kind of thickness? I mean, I know we have our test pipe here.
Sked 40 up to 12 inch in steel, plastic pipe, depending on what clamp you borrow.
Now with these, I mean, we have a 6-inch and a 12-inch model. These are sellable SKUs on their own. So these
Correct.
These are all separate here.
Yes. Yes. You buy the saw and then you can get whatever clamp is necessary.
And
for
there's no advantage to buying any kits or anything.
No,
I
sir.
mean, you're looking at the same price.
Looking at the same price.
How you spend it.
Yes, sir.
Now in the warehouse when we were doing some cutting, there was a really nice stand there. Just real quickly, let's talk about that stand.
That is the 460-12. It will hold up to 1,500 pounds, 12-inch pipe. It also has an adjustable leg, which is the only stand that has the adjustable leg. So when you're doing your fit up and you're welding, you can actually level the stand instead of having to shim pipe and shim stuff. Even has a ground lug for your ground.
One standout thing for me, anyway, is the universal blades that you can
Absolutely.
use here.
It is an 8-inch blade with a 5/8 arbor. Nothing that you can't get just about anywhere. You can get them right here. Matter of fact, the blade that's on there came from here yesterday.
Yeah.
So
I prefer you get them from here, always.
Yes, always.
One of the big things I noticed and like is the safety features of not only the stand here, but also on the saw. Can you go over that with us?
Sure. It has a fully enclosed blade. There is no access to this blade as it's turning until it is already plunged into the material. As it plunges, it opens. So while it's in the ready position and it's up and you turn it on, there is no access to a spinning blade. And it has one-way rollers, so it cannot come back at you. So you cannot damage the blade. You cannot worry about kickback. It will not come back.
So these stands are pretty cool. They actually have a 2-inch marker, so you can know where you're cutting, and it is located right here, right?
Yes, sir.
So you lay that in, and you know you're going to be 2 inches out from here, so you can mark your spot. You know where you're going to be.
2 inches out from that flat spot is where your blade will engage the pipe.
Yeah.
I just wanted to mention it does have a 15 amp motor, worm drive motor, tried and true, been around for years. It can run off of a simple 3,000 watt generator in the field to make this saw work. It only requires 15 amps.
So yeah, this is a really great setup. If you're out cutting pipe or you're using the traditional Ridgid,
The 258.
right? Yeah, this is a nice portable solution if you're looking to upgrade or change out.
Add to your fleet.
Add to your fleet. There you go. Yeah, add to it. Don't replace it because they're fantastic. Dean, I really appreciate you bringing this out and going over this with me. It's a fantastic machine. I'm really looking forward to getting it out there to all of you. If you have any questions about this or anything, just leave them in the comments below for us. Give us a like and subscribe. We really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.